Changing your primary email on Gate.io is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Gate.io website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your existing email for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email or email settings. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see an option to change your primary email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Ensure that you double check for any typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change. Check your current email for a verification link or code from Gate.io and follow the instructions provided to confirm the update. After completing these steps, your primary email on Gate.io should be successfully changed. Always remember to keep your account information up to date for security purposes.